Welcome to How2Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your wheel hub bearings. We're going to start off by taking a chisel, and we're going to chisel around this cap to pop it off. When you get it almost popped off, you can take your chisel and aim it upwards. Remove the cotter pin so we can remove the nut. Wiggle up and down to release the bearing. Pull off of the hub. Clean the axle shaft. Take a pry bar and pop out the seal. Move the bearing. Next, we're going to pop out the inner and outer race. To remove the races, we're going to take a punch, and we're going to punch on these two spots here. With the outer race removed, we're going to remove the inner race. Flip it around. Punch it out from this direction. With both races out and your hub cleaned, we're going to install the new races. We're going to pack our bearings. Send them in a bearing packer. Pop it full of grease. This bearing is fully packed. Do the same thing with the other bearing. Take your freshly packed bearing, put it into place. Grab the new wheel seal, and put it into place. Take some grease, we're going to fill the cavity inside of here. Next, we're going to take the shaft, slide it into place. Install the outer bearing. Install the nut. Tighten the nut while spinning the wheel hub. You're going to seat the bearing. Then we're going to loosen it up. And we're going to go hand tight until you find the cotter pin hole. Install a new cotter pin. Fill your cap with grease, stick it on. Use a soft little hammer, tap it in place. Clean up the grease. And with that, you should be good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please check out my channel, How2Mechanics. I make tons of different videos on all sorts of things, so there might be a video for you. And with that, I thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.